Hey friends, so this is my Mazda CX-9, and then this is going to be my second Turo vehicle. And so what we're going to do today is we're actually going to get it ready to list on Turo. So what that's going to entail is we're going to go ahead and clean it out with getting rid of personal items, and then take it to get a car wash. I need to vacuum it. My dog has been in the car, so hopefully remove most signs of pets. But yeah, so I'm going to clean it out, and then we're going to go take it for a car wash, and then we're going to take pictures, so that way we'll be ready to list it online. So very exciting. All right, so you can see it's just kind of dirty. I cleaned everything out though. Got all of our personal items out of here. In the back area, I'm going to be putting this pet liner into my white Honda Fit. So I'm going to make that kind of a nice place for my dog. Alright, and it got really hot in my garage, so I opened up the door. So now we're going to go ahead and just vacuum it out. Yeah, we're making some progress. And it actually has third row seating, which we don't really use. So yeah, I think this will be a pretty profitable Turo car. All right, so I'm actually going to take a break from vacuuming because my little Dyson, there you go, needs a break to charge. This is a lot of work. Bigger car is a lot more work. So yeah, there was dog hair. It just gets everywhere. Like, we're trying to be so careful protecting it from not going everywhere, but yeah, it was in the third row seats, and yeah, this is quite a project. So I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna go ahead and go get the car washed, and then I'll come back and we'll do some more vacuuming, and yeah. So we're back at the house in the garage. And so I think I'm gonna also show you real quick what I'm using to clean the car with. It should be a little bit wet still, so I'm gonna go around with a microfiber cloth and dry it and just kind of clean it up, anything that, you know, the car wash doesn't get done. I definitely would not hand wash an SUV. It's way too time consuming. I might wipe down the Honda Fit once in a while, but not this car. It's way too big. Just personal preference, I guess, really. But yeah, so let's go ahead and I'll show you what I'm using to clean the car with, and then we'll get to work. Okay, so I got, this stuff is really nice. With like a paper towel or even a microfiber cloth, it's pretty good. And then this is kind of a nice, just like waterless wash that I tried to use with Raven last time. I don't know how well that went. And then I've got like paint touch-up pens for all of the cars. So these are really good protectant wipes, and then also of course the disinfectant wipes. I also have glass wipes, but I do like this one better. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down the car and get it all clean. So today's actually the day after the previous footage that you saw. It was a lot of work to detail the car, and it got hot, and so I still need to go take pictures, but after that we are ready to do our Turo listing. So she's looking pretty good. Yeah, so we're gonna go take some pictures.